Making a mechanical keyboard case is an arduous task that requires precision and patience. First, you need to measure the size of your keyboard and choose a case that's big enough to fit it. You can use any kind of material for the case, from wood to plastic or metal. Once you've selected the material you want to use, it's time to cut it to the size of your keyboard. Measure the inner dimensions of the case and use a saw, jigsaw, or other cutting tool to shape it. Next, install the hinges or latches that will hold the lid in place. Next, assemble the sides and bottom of the case. Use screws, nuts, and bolts to create a rigid frame that can hold the keyboard securely. You may also want to install some foam padding inside the case to provide extra cushioning for the keyboard. Be sure to reinforce the corners to give the case extra strength and durability. To attach the lid to the case, use screws or mounting brackets. Protect the keyboard by adding a plastic sheet between the lid and the body of the case. Finally, drill some ventilation holes to allow the keyboard to stay cool and to reduce overheating. You can then apply a finish to your mechanical keyboard case, such as painting or staining it. Once you've finished building your case, it's time to install the keyboard. Place the keyboard into the case carefully and fasten it securely with screws or other fasteners. Make sure the keys are not blocked by the case and that they can move freely and press down properly. To prevent dust buildup, it is advisable to use a dust-proof material such as a dust cover. Also, make sure there is sufficient air ventilation for the keyboard and that the vents are not obstructed. Finally, check for any loose parts or defects in the case and secure them with glue or screws. With these steps, you can confidently assemble a sturdy, functional mechanical keyboard case. If you're feeling extra creative, you can also add some LED lighting or even custom artwork to the case. Don't forget to keep the mechanical keyboard safe and secure. These cases not only provide protection for your keyboard but also make it more comfortable to use. You can also customize the look and feel of your mechanical keyboard case by painting or staining it.